this lie, all this time we've been living, this saving ourselves. You mine, hell yeah, you're right, you mine, hell yeah, you're right, you mine, you mine, you mine. Hold me tight, let's love each other forever. All this time, imagine this is the last chance in our life. I want to feel you more than this echo. I don't wanna think about your best. I don't get it, I feel it, I so fast. So leave this moment now and take a high. You take me so high.
This year is the best feeling ever. Even if I win the international 3 years ago, this year I never feel how happy I am. I'm very excited to have a family, little Maraman, little Gianni. Yeah, and all I win for the international, and like I keep it and then build it for the house. So just before the competition, I'm very like focused because I'm thinking that I have a family.
Already.
Yeah, I'm like matured or something.
Wow, much
you know.
more.
Depends on the direction of the swell.
Lamig ka dun, no? Lamig ba na sila ni madami mo bata, tapos makita ni mo half kimari sa mo yung night. Yeah, some people are asking like what if you like boy or girl. For me, it doesn't matter. As long as they're healthy, that's the most important thing.
Wow,
Yeah.
because you don't think only about yourself, you think also somebody else that you have to take care of.
I'm not ashamed, and we fly right now into a space. You mine, hell yeah, you're right, you mine, hell yeah, you're right, you mine, you mine, you mine. Hold me tight, let's love each other forever. All this time, imagine this is the last chance in our life. I want to feel you more than this echo. I don't wanna think about your face. I don't get it, I feel it, I so fast. So leave this moment now and take a high. You took me so high. You took me so high. So high. So high. So high. You took me so
The PSCT tour, it's very professional now. Everything is perfect. Grabe, no? Just similar than WSL now.
It's good to have like a real racking that people knows.
Yeah.
You feel also more motivated.
So there's a lot of chances.
Being sponsor can see it.
Yeah.
We're helping people as well younger, whatever.
That's true.
But why only few spot?
I think some are not support. It's hard to find sponsor in some places because if the sponsor don't sell, that's the hard part. I think most of it will be also the government helping. But it's gonna be still 4 stops this year. They're gonna put in
I
Kabugao.
think it's a big help for the surfers.
Yes.
There will be a lot of people who want to support.
It's hard before.
Starting in the beginning it's hard, but when it's popular the PSCT now, it's growing.
There's more and more sponsors coming in also for PSCT. They wanted to help.
Every time you're in, nakita ka dulog sa imo. Ikaw na imo strategy ba?
Sa ako ka mangita?
Oo, sa imo ra ka dulog tagbandagan. Maradaw nimo kay no pili ka gud na maradaw na bayod ba na makakuha ka gud ng score. Jaiban gud no paikuha ra paikuha ng bayod gani. Tapos jaiban na ilos ang priority ra. Pero kung imo ka gud maradaw. Oo, maradaw nimo sa international.
Oo, anak ko bisan
Nabilib
pa.
sa bakod ko.
Ako bahala mo pili mo sa
Di ba?
Can you hear when you are there in the surfing? You get a good wave. Can you hear the
Can you
noise
hear?
of the tower?
You can feel.
What
And
do
then
you
you feel like so much support or
Really?
something. So much support and love that really like no matter what that you're still there supporting you, watching you and everything. And then for me it's like
Very good feeling, no? When you come on the bar and
amazing
everybody like
feeling.
screaming on the tower.
yeah.
Psychologically it's hard when you're a compone. You get a good way and you're here and screaming.
Before I paddle out, I was like thinking, wow, I need to be careful. Use my priority in a smart way or something. Jack Robinson is like, crazy surfer. It's really good. And there is one from Australia also, one from Hawaii. They're really good surfer. And then I was scared from them, but I'll keep telling myself, just relax, calm down, just pick the right waves. He didn't get a good waves yet, but it was my priority. And then there's a nice sit coming. So when he paddle, I go paddle also close to him. And then he stopped, so I stopped. He go. I was like thinking, oh, for sure if I stop, he's gonna go 100%. So I just go straight away.
It was like an airdrop, I remember. There was a video of that wave.
That was late, and then just go inside straight in the barrel.
And you made it and you
And
got
I-
a very good score.
Yeah.
I remember.
If I didn't get that wave,
It was
that was gonna be
hard,
hard,
like
yeah.
different. Yeah.
Tomar is like, he's a really good surfer, and he's like also my brother. We've been like traveling together, joining the international competition also in Bali or Japan for ISA game also. Yeah, and during semi-final, I feel like so nervous or something. And then, but I really feel that there's a waves coming, like that I can get, that I can win.
You felt it?
I really felt it already. And then the final with Piso, me and Piso been like always together. Like we see each other, like even the international, like last year, also 2 years ago. Now I feel like more mature and more focused, and then I learned so much from my mistake.
More competitive.
More competitive, yeah. More marama. Yeah, so I feel like more relaxed on the water also.
But before the final, how was it feeling? Like you felt you might win. You felt that you were winning, or what did you feel?
For me, I'm just thinking positive and just being present lang. But I don't know if I'm not thinking that I'm gonna win.
Because always you and Pisa together, always one win, the other one is
Yeah.
always like super tight
Super
every
tight.
time. So it's hard to predict, no?
Yeah, yeah. We're not talking in the water for 25, 30 minutes on the final. We're not even talking. We just say good luck to each other. Yeah, but after the competition, that he knows that I'm winning.
He came to you right away,
Yeah,
and you
I
guys
came-
hug each
yeah.
other. Even before the hit finish, that
Yeah.
was really nice.
That was so nice, and then he just like, oh Marma, congratulations, blah blah blah, and then like, fuck, why you're so hard to beat now? He just told me about it. As a friend, we really respect each other in the water. Like we even if I won the comp, but everyone, for me, everyone is the winner.
means
But small.
There's like Marama bad and Marama good.
Which one are you?
In the middle.